What is the Lord trying to say to you? But you won't flex, you won't expand, you won't run all the way to see what the Lord would do in your life. And right now as I'm sitting here, it's like 700 people in this room. I'm staring at hundreds of brittle wineskins. You already know who you are. You do church well. You do conferences well. You do books well. You do posting well. But on the inside, you don't want to expand. Lord is trying to pour into you wine you've never tasted before. Some of you, he got bottles of revelation you ain't even conceived. A whole life that he's trying to pour into you. You think when the Lord saved me over a bathroom, I knew I would be standing here one day preaching to men and women? You think when I was a former womanizer, I knew I would have a loving wife and good children? You think when I was robbing people at gunpoint and selling crack cocaine at 12, you think I would have known that one day that the Lord would take this wretched man and use me to proclaim the truth of his word? Yo, you staring at a wineskin. You're sitting in the manifestation of somebody else's wine. Don't you want to sip your own?